Real talk, mamas. There is absolutely nothing more stressful than boarding a cross-country flight, settling into your seat, and realizing your baby is hungry while the passenger next to you is staring you down. Whether you are flying coach or lounging in first class, breastfeeding on a plane does not have to be a source of anxiety. In fact, with the right mindset and some high-end strategy, you can turn your next flight into a total breeze. Today, we are spilling the tea on how to navigate airplane breastfeeding with ultimate confidence, impeccable etiquette, and zero stress, so you can travel like a total VIP. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to spot for navigating motherhood without losing your mind, or your luxury aesthetic. We know that being a breastfeeding mom doesn't mean you have to stop taking vacations or living your absolute best life. But it does mean you need a really solid game plan when you're 30,000 feet in the air. Grab an iced coffee and let's get into it. Breastfeeding in a cramped cabin can feel super intimidating, but we are going to break down the exact hacks, the best luxury gear, and the comfort secrets so you can breeze through your flight and get straight to enjoying your vacation. Let's start with the absolute baseline rule of flight comfort, which is picking the right seat from the jump. If you are booking a standard cabin, the window seat is a total game changer for breastfeeding mamas. It gives you a built-in wall to lean against, extra elbow room, and a natural shield from the beverage cart bumping your shoulder every 10 minutes. But if you want to be extra bougie and completely stress-free, upgrading to a premium cabin with pod seating is worth every single buck. Having that extra physical barrier and dedicated space means you can nurse or pump in complete privacy without worrying about a stranger looking over your shoulder. Before you even board, make sure to let the gate agent know you are traveling with an infant. They can often help ensure you have an empty seat next to you if the flight isn't completely full. Taking control of your seating arrangement early is the ultimate power move for a peaceful flight. Now, let's talk gear and wardrobe, because traveling is exhausting enough without dealing with uncomfortable clothing and leaky outfits. Ditch the complicated layers and opt for high-end, stylish nursing clothes that feature hidden zippers or magnetic snaps. Pair a chic, oversized cashmere wrap with a sleek nursing tank. The wrap doubles as a gorgeous fashion statement in the airport lounge and an effortless, breathable cover on the plane if you prefer a little extra privacy. When it comes to your diaper bag, organization is everything. Keep your favorite designer tote packed with extra nursing pads, burp cloths, and a small wet bag for emergencies. If you're using a wearable pump like the Elvie or Willow, make sure it is fully charged before you leave the house. You can literally pump right in your seat while sipping a complimentary cocktail, pour the ounces into your travel chiller, and slip the pump right back into your bag without anyone even noticing. It is all about maintaining your aesthetic while keeping your efficiency at an absolute maximum. Finally, let's address cabin etiquette and the pressure changes that can throw a wrench in your plans. The absolute best time to nurse your baby is during takeoff and landing. The swallowing motion helps equalize the pressure in their tiny ears, preventing those painful pops that cause mid-flight meltdowns. If your baby falls asleep, keep them close in a high-quality, ergonomic wrap or carrier. Most airlines require you to take the baby out of the carrier during takeoff for safety, but once you hit cruising altitude, you can strap them back in for hands-free nursing comfort. What if you encounter a rude passenger or an unhelpful flight attendant? Take a deep breath and remember your rights. Federal law protects your right to breastfeed your child in public, and that includes commercial aircraft. If someone makes an uncomfortable comment, do not argue. Simply smile, stay confident, and if necessary, loop in the lead flight attendant to handle the situation. Staying calm and collected keeps your vibration high and your stress levels at absolute zero. Traveling as a breastfeeding mom doesn't have to be a nightmare. With the right luxury gear, a solid seating strategy, and a little bit of prep, you can conquer any flight, anywhere, and keep your baby perfectly happy. If you loved these tips and want more real talk on navigating motherhood, luxury travel, and all things baby, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you are planning your next big family vacation, and drop a comment below telling us your ultimate travel hack. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.